Good morning, class first. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, class, we are back with our studies. So, this is your maths period. Please take out your maths books, mathematics today. Then open your maths book. And come to page number 117. Page number 117. From today, we'll start our new chapter. Chapter number 8, measurement. Okay, our chapter number 8 is measurement. So firstly, we'll do this warm-up exercise. Look at the scene of an amusement park. Okay, so this is a scene of an amusement park. Now, tick the following in the scene. So we have to tick these in this scene. So the first one is the animal with a shorter tail. The animal with a shorter tail. सबसे पहले तो हम animal देखेंगे कौन कौन से हैं. This and this. These two are the animals. अब shorter tail किसकी है? Shorter means छोटी. तो इन दोनों में से छोटी tail किसकी है? Yes. Take this. Then to the fat child. The fat child. So these two are the boys. These are the boys. Which one is fat? Which one is the fat child? This. So tick this. Now third one is the longer fence. The longer fence. So एक फेंस ये है, एक फेंस ये है. Longer means लंबी. इन दोनों में से which one is longer? Yes, this one. So tick here. Now fourth one, the smaller slide. The smaller slide. So these two are the slides. Which one is smaller? Smaller means छोटी. इन दोनों में से छोटी स्लाइड कौन सी है? Yes, this one. Take this. Now fifth one is the smallest cloud. So there are 3 clouds, 1, 2 and 3. Which one is the smallest? Smallest मतलब सबसे छोटा. इन तीनों में से सबसे छोटा cloud कौन सा है? Yes, this one. So take this cloud. Now sixth, the tallest tree. The tallest tree. So there are 3 trees. This, and this. There are 3 trees. Which one is the tallest? Tallest means सबसे लंबा. सबसे लंबा ट्री कौन सा है? This one or this one? Yes, this one. So take this tree. Now the 7th one is the bottle that can hold more water. So there are 2 bottles, this one and this one. Which bottle can hold more water? किस bottle में ज़्यादा पानी आ सकता है? This one or this one? Yes, the pink one. So take the pink one. Done. Now turn the page. Come to page number 118. Measuring lengths. The length of an object can be measured by. किसी object की length कैसे measure कर सकते हैं हम? By comparing its length with the length of another object. 2 objects की length को compare करके. या फिर कैसे कर सकते हैं? Measuring its length. उनकी length को measure करके. Comparing lengths. To measure the length of an object by comparing, we place the object side by side. किसी 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स की लेंथ को मेजर करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? उन दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट्स को साइड बाय साइड क्या करते हैं? प्लेस करते हैं. उनसे हमको पता चल जाता है ना कि कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट बड़ा है, कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट छोटा है. नाउ विच पेंसिल इज लॉन्गर? रेड वन और ग्रीन वन? यस, द रेड पेंसिल इज लॉन्गर. नाउ विच लैडर इज द shorter? This one or this one? Yes, this ladder is shorter. Red ladder is the shorter. Now, measuring lengths. Sometimes we measure length using the objects such as paper clips, crayons, pins, etc. बहुत बार हम क्या करते हैं, हम लेंथ को कैसे मेजर करते हैं, किन ऑब्जेक्ट से, जैसे पेपर क्लिप्स, क्रेयॉन्स, पिन्स, इन सब चीज़ों से हम क्या करते हैं, लेंथ को मेजर करते हैं. अब अगर हमको इस स्पून की लेंथ बतानी हो और हम इसको एक पेपर क्लिप से मेजर करेंगे तो ये देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, द स्पून इज अबाउट 5 पेपर क्लिप्स लॉन्ग. स्पून कितना लंबा है, 5 पेपर क्लिप्स जितना लंबा है. ओके, द स्पून इज अबाउट 5 पेपर क्लिप्स लॉन्ग. नाउ दिस comb, if we measure the length of this comb by crayons, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, the comb is about 6 crayons long. comb की लेंथ कितनी है, 6 crayons के जितनी. the comb is about 6 crayons long. okay, now come to exercise 8a. how long are these objects? ये objects कितने long है. So first one is a pencil. Count the paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So about 9 paper clips long. The pencil is about 9 paper clips long. Next one is a paintbrush. Count the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the paintbrush is about 8 crayons long. The paintbrush is about 8 crayons long. Now this is a toothbrush. Now count the paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this toothbrush is about 6 paper clips long, right? Now the fourth one is a book. Count the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this book is about 5 crayons long. This book is about 5 crayons long. So class, that's all for today. Now you have to revise all the work which we have done today in the class. Revise it properly and do this exercise in your notebook. Okay, firstly you have to write down the name of your chapter, measurement in a very beautiful handwriting. Use sketch pens to write down the heading. Write down today's date, 1st of December 2020, and then write down exercise 8a and then draw these 4 pictures. Don't draw these paper clips or crayons and just write about 9 paper clips long, about 8 crayons long, about 6 paper clips long, about 5 crayons long. Okay, so that's all for today, class first. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.